How to set up Siri on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Here, you can manage Siri's language, voice, and responses. Tap on Talk to Siri to configure how you activate the assistant. Choose your preferred activation phrase. Select Siri or Hey Siri and a confirmation page will pop up. Tap the Continue button to proceed with the setup. You now need to train Siri to recognize your voice. Just say the 5 phrases that appear on the screen one by one. Once the voice setup is complete, a confirmation screen will show that Siri is ready. Tap Done to finish the process. Your iPhone will now listen for your chosen phrase. Following these steps, you can easily set up Siri on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.